Hello friends, it's Kat from Meow Meow Kapow. Congratulations on unlocking my emergency voiceover to be deployed in the event that I am unable to record a fresh and toasty one on the week this video goes up. I have no idea what I'm doing in this video, but I sure do hope you enjoy it. If there are any materials being used, they'll always be listed in the doobly-doo down below. Who knows though, we might just be making shadow puppets together, rather than art. As for why I can't record a voiceover, well, the most reasonable explanation is that I'm sick and lost my voice, but what do you think could be a more exciting explanation? Let's make up some kind of crazy story! Maybe I was whisked away by marshmallow demons to a pillowy soft land of nightmares. In order to make my escape, I had to eat my way through a whole horde of sugary captors. Sadly, it's taking a bit longer to chew than I expected, and I don't think I'll be setting any records in the Chubby Bunny Marshmallow game today. Or maybe it's something else. What do you think? Anyway, thank you so much for joining past voiceover me for this future voiceless adventure. Until I see you again, I wish you peace, love, and s'mores. Bye!